Hello students, in this video we will choose some other questions which are related to the first topic, that is the living word. So in the living word, the fifth question is, among the following select the correct statements. There are 4 statements are given below. So here you can observe the first 2 statements, then we go for the next 2 statements. After that, out of that, the options are given A, B, C, D like this. So out of that statements, how many are right and how many are incorrect. So we have to decide. So the question is that among the following statements, there are 4 statements are given and further 4 options also given. Which of the following are right or wrong? We have to decide. The correct statements, we have to select the correct statements. First one, let us read out. See, in a majority of higher plants and animals, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. See, what is the meaning of this line? So we should try to understand first. In a majority of higher plants and animals, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive. Very important. Exclusive events. See, in higher plants and animals, these growth and the reproduction are not takes place simultaneously. We should understand these are the separate events we can say. So that's why the statement, the given statement, this one is right. See, these are the exclusively events, what we call, no, it is the right statement we can consider, right? In a majority of plants and animals, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. This sentence is right. So you can take, we can make it, this sentence is right, not the option is right statement. Okay, next we can take the next one. See, the in non-living objects, the second option, in a non-living objects, growth is by accumulation of material on the surface. See, usually in living beings, the growth is done internally, but in non-living objects, in non-living things, growth is done by, that means the growth is possible by the accumulation of materials on the surface. So this statement is also right. So you can write the this is also the right statement. Next, another 2 options we are going to choose now. So that is the C, an isolated metabolic reactions, right? An isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism. Yes, an isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism. So this is what the organism performed in a test tube. We can consider it as in a test tube. Outside the body means inside the test tube is neither living nor non-living, right? Because the performance reactions may be living, but it's not living process, right? So that's why what they are saying, performed in a test tube is neither living nor non-living. So completely we cannot say that it's not living, but living reactions may also take place in the test tube, but the anything which is the reaction which is takes place in the test tube, we will not consider it as the living, right? So that's why the statement is right. This is also the right statement, right? So this the statement C is also right here. Next, one more statement, last statement is given here. So is whether this is right or wrong, we'll see. The all organisms from the prokaryotes to the most complex eukaryotes. Yes, all organisms from prokaryotes to most of the complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to the environment cues. Environmental cues. See, uh, actually, all organisms shows the response. That is means in what we studied in the properties of organisms, all are conscious. They are showing the consciousness, right? All organisms from prokaryotes to eukaryotes, all organisms shows the consciousness. Is one of the property of organisms. But here, what they are giving, the from prokaryotes to most of the complex eukaryotes means all organisms can sense and respond to the environmental cues. Environmental cues means environmental changes or environmental the signals. That is what environmental cues means here. This is what the stimuli. So any stimuli, it may be temperature, it may be you can take any changes, light. So every organism can respond to the changes in the environment. So that's why this statement is also said to be right. So means here, so in previous what we observed, the previous two options, this A and B are also right, and here these two options also right. So by this we can choose the right answer. So that is the A, B, D and C is given. A, B, C, D. It's right. Okay, the option D is here right. So for this fifth question, so here for the fifth question, so among the following select the correct statement what they are given here. So A is also right, B is also right, and this C is right, D is also right. So finally we can select this is the right answer, right? So A, B, D and C is given. It's right only. Okay, so this is the final answer. We have to choose the D. Okay, yes. Yes, next we will choose the sixth question now. So sixth is match the following is given here. So that is the column first and column 2 is given here, and so here you can observe. So this is what the yes, this is the column 1 here, and column 2 is given, this one and this one, right? So next here this side 4 options are here in this column, and here also 4 options are given. So for that the correct or the shuffling is given as the options for your to choose the answers. So here choose the correct combination from the options given below, right? So here two columns have their what you called when you observe this fungi and sexual spores, asexual spores, amoeba, binary fission, hydra and yeast, true segmentation, planaria, true regeneration is given here. Yes, so here we can observe true regeneration, that is, and next planaria is given, planaria, and here budding, right? So we should match it. So almost here how they reproduce is given in the column 2, and the names of that organisms are given in the column first. We have to match here. The fungi can produce even by some fungi can produce the filamentous fungus, usually produced by uh, other way of reproduction also. So but here asexual spores are also commonly observed in the fungi, asexual spores. So that means this A is right here. This one already the combination is right, right? So here this combination is right. And B is given here amoeba, and amoeba shows that binary fission, no doubt. So even multiple fission is also there, but here binary fission is given, but hydra and yeast are not showing the binary fission. So planaria is also not showing binary fission, so we can go through the amoeba. Amoeba shows that this is also right, which is no need to recombine, the already combination is right. Next we can go to the hydra. Even by hydra, what we observed budding, but here along with that yeast is also given. So here budding is given, hydra shows budding and yeast is also showing the budding, right? So for that you can see, so this is right here. So you can go to combine C5. C, yes, C is given here, the fourth option, right? C, for C, and the fourth option from column B, column second is right. So next remaining is 1. So planaria, no doubt, true regeneration. When planaria body, when cut into many pieces, what happens? So remaining part is redeveloped. For example, so the planaria, when you observe, this is the planaria when you consider, right? So this is what the planaria. So when you cut this, when it cuts by either mechanically or during the reproduction, what happens here? So this part, the remaining lower part will develop this part, and this part will develop this part. So in this way the true regeneration can be observed in planaria. So that for D, third from this option we can choose, right? By this we can observe here the right option which is given below is that the B is the right? B is the right answer here. So you can take the B is the right answer for this one, right? So here, yes, we will choose another one question. The read the following statements and select the incorrect one. So we should observe here incorrect, right? Incorrect statement we have to choose here. So here, yes, here incorrect, we should identify in the question whether correct or incorrect. That is, we should must read it very clearly. Read the following statements and select the incorrect one. Okay, out of this, which is the incorrect, right? So that is the ninth here, question number 9. So only 4 options are given. So which of the following is incorrect? So first one, mountains, boulders and sand mounds do grow if we take increase in body mass. If we take increase in body mass as a criterion for growth, right? So for the criteria, so here the what they are asking, incorrect statement. When we consider, the first statement is right only. The first statement is right, this is the statement is right now, because mountains and boulders and sand mounds do grow, they are also growing, right? But with respect to only the one of the criteria, the body mass, when you consider body mass, they are growing. So mass is increasing because by externally adding the external material, so they are growing. On that basis the growth is there, then the sentence is right. Next we can take the B option here. Many organisms like mules, right? Mule is a organism which is sterile organism, and obtained from the donkey and horse, so that is called mule. So this is what the mule here. Next, sterile worker bees. In honey bees there are some worker bees are there which are sterile. Yes. Next, and infertile human infertile human couples. So what we call in Kannada banje. So the infertile human couples do not reproduce at all. So like mules and worker bees, sterile worker bees, and infertile human couples do not reproduce at all. This statement is also right. Next, so we can take the C option. The living organisms are self-replicating and evolving and self-regulating uh, interactive systems capable of responding to the external stimuli. Right, this is also right statement. Living organisms are self-replicating. Yes, they are reproducing. That is what we can consider in this meaning. And evolving and self-regulating. They are regulating themselves. So this what interactive systems. They have interactive systems capable of responding to external stimuli. They can respond to the external stimuli. Then it is said to be right. Then the last option D, the isolated metabolic reactions in vitro are living things. No, so are not living things. Actually, this is the isolated metabolic reactions in vitro. In vitro means in the test tube are living things. They are asking, they are giving. So but here they are not living. That reactions are said to be non-living. That performance is non-living. So hence here this option is wrong. So that's why for the ninth you can take option D. Right, so option D is the right answer here. Right, this is what I given the some questions here. Yes, this is the yes, in the next video some other questions we will discuss. Thank you, students.